Welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a vintage McCulloch chainsaw, McCulloch 840, made in 1963. It's a gear drive, 99 cc's. Power head on that weighs 27 pounds. Cable running up to a 60-inch bar. This one's got a 36-inch vintage Oregon roller nose bar. And the oiler is working good. It's got a manual pump. You can see where it's slinging oil off there. That's a roller nose. That's a vintage chain. It's in really good shape. It's a chisel bit, used but still in very good shape. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features this vintage saw has. Little window right here that pops out to adjust your carburetor. It's got the nice HL Tillotson carburetor in there, so it's a very good carburetor. Manual oil pump right here. Choke here. Kill switch in the middle. Got a large falling spike on it. Very large. This saw was made for big wood. There's a good shot of that bar. It's a vintage Oregon bar. And that's that chain. And to adjust the tension on it, loosen up the two nuts and the tensioner screws right there. Got the wrap handlebar. Starter's on the right side as you hold the chainsaw. And right in there is a new muffler. That's a very nice adjustable muffler. You can actually change the direction of the exhaust to help deflect the chips. It was very popular back in the 60s. Great running saw. And we'll go outside and make a cut with it.